This fake AI-generated podcast clip got 3.7 million views on TikTok, so let's remake it. To make the podcast script, I used Notebook LM. All I had to do was add the resources I wanted my podcast to be about. Then I used the deep dive conversation feature in Notebook LM, and I wanted my avatars to have a conversation about how hard YouTube is, so I added that as a direction and clicked generate. While it was generating the audio to my podcast, I went to Synthesia, which is a tool that allows you to create AI avatar videos, but there was a problem. Notebook LM gives you the audio podcast file it generated as an MP3. This means that I had two solutions. I could either transcribe the video file with AI and then copy and paste each section into Synthesia. This would allow me to edit the voiceover in real time, but it would take time to copy and paste. Or I could chop the video file up real quick in Premiere Pro and then have two audio tracks depending on who's talking. So I would have the audio exactly as it sounded in Notebook LM. And that's what I did. I separated the audio tracks and exported them as individual audio files while keeping in the parts where they're not talking. I then uploaded the first audio file to Synthesia and chose an avatar that I wanted that I also thought matched the voice provided by Notebook LM. And now, as this is for TikTok, I placed the avatar at the top half, and for the background, I used ChatGPT to generate a picture of a studio, and to make it look real, I used the left of it for the top part and the right side of the image for the bottom part, so it looked like the podcast was shot in one place. I then render the video, duplicate the project file, and this time I upload the second audio file, change the avatar, and place this one at the bottom. Then I bring both video files into Premiere Pro and I overlay them and crop the top one halfway. So it looks a little bit like this.
How do they do that? What's the secret?
Yeah, it's kind of a mystery, isn't it?
Totally. So today we're going to try to unpack some of that mystery.
Now I just have to post it and wait to see if I recreated the success of